Welcome to ESP32 learning series, and today in this video I am going to demonstrate how to interface LCD with ESP32. Okay, so I am using I2C LCD, right? I2C module is attached to LCD, the one you see on the screen. The connection is very simple, and the detail to connect the wire is given on the screen, which you see. Also, you can visit the URL of my blog. The link is in description. You will get the code and also detail to connect the I2C LCD with ESP32. Okay, it's a very simple connection. Okay, so I have connected ground and VCC to ESP32, and then I'll be connecting SDA and SCK to 22 and 21, like 21 to SDA and SCK to 22. That is it. That is the only connection we need. Now I'm going to connect USB cable to upload the code. To get the code, visit this URL. It's in description, and on this blog you will see details to connect the wire, and down below you will see code and also some checks, like if we are doing it for the first time, you need to include the libraries, and this is the step. If you haven't seen my previous video, go ahead and watch number 2 or number 1. There I have demonstrated what to do. Okay, and down below you will see explanation of the code, how actually it is going to work, and few notes. Let's say the address of your LCD module is not similar to mine, then it may not work on your machine. You will have to use this, or even that is different, then you need to scan I2C module, right? LCD module. So this is it's a few checks you need to do. So just let me know if that does not work. Just comment in the comment section whether it works or not. If it does not work, I will upload another video for troubleshooting. Okay, so now copy the code from here. Okay, and let me copy the code from here and just open Arduino IDE and paste here. Okay, the one thing I was talking about is click on file and click on preferences. This is where you haven't done some setup earlier, right? Paste the URL here, click OK, and then click OK again. Okay, and then you need to install ESP32 here, and then click on board manager and just type ESP32. And this is something if you are coding for the first time, right, on ESP32, and install this. I don't have to do because this has already been done, because I already built a couple of projects using ESP32. So on my machine everything has been set up. Okay, I will close it. The second thing you need to do, you need to install this library. So copy the name from here, click on tools again, and then click on manage libraries, and then paste here. Somewhere you will see, okay, you see here on my machine this has already been installed, so I do not have to install. Just search this name and install this package, the library. Okay, click close again, and now you are all set to upload the code. You will also see some comment. Do read the comment. This is where I have explained everything. Okay, uh, this is baud rate of a serial monitor, and like when you open this serial monitor, here there's a baud rate, right? You need to select that. It's important. Close again. Okay, now let's go ahead and click upload. It does not take long, like depending on uh, processing speed of the machine, it should take just few seconds. So sometimes it does throw error, and maybe that is because of this LCD I2C address, right? That may be one of the reason. It definitely changes depending on LCD module. So compilation has been done and it's getting uploaded. As soon as you will see, the moment it gets uploaded, you will see some notes there. So let me show you that. Okay, it has been uploaded, and here you see leaving hard resetting via RTS pin, which means code has been uploaded and there is no issue. Now it's time to see the result, which so on LCD you will see, this message. Okay, let's see the result, and here you will see the text is printed. If you do not see it, just try and rotate the potentiometer which is on the back of the LCD, and it will get printed. If it does not, just leave a message, and I will try to make another video on this issue.